So here we are, it's a Raglan 5-inch. It's been lightly restored. I've done some new electrics on it. So it's got e-stop and it's got start switch. It's a reversible switch. All the slides have been done up. I've added lubrication points to the cross slide. I've added lubrication points to the in-feed. Middle ones for the nut, for the screw, two outer ones for the slides. It's been tastefully restored. It's had new gears inside for the traversing. It's got carbide tooling in, single point tooling, carbide. I shall let those go with it. It's got variable speed drive round the back with Brook Crompton motor. Now I can't guarantee this motor because obviously it looks very old. I've put a safety lock-off switch on it, and then I've got it on a flying lead, 16 amp plugs. It's got my own flying lead on at the minute, but you'll need to source a flying lead. It's got a rear tray that I've made myself to catch swarf. I've used green urethane so it directs the chute back into the centrepiece. There's no coolant tube, no coolant. I've done the bracketing. I've lightly restored the footstock spindle were fine. It's been in and out. I've taken the end float out of it, sorted the clamp out. The clamp works fine now. I've taken play out of it and I've realigned it with the headstock. It's got a Newton cover over the slides. It's got a lock there for the cross slide. It's just generally a nice little motor now. Okay, this is a Raglan then. I'll just show it running. As you can see there, we've got a 3-jaw chuck, external jaws in there with a 4-jaw chuck. And then there's just a piece in there, just that I was just turning as a test piece. I'll set it going, forward rotation. It's not too noisy, it's not too bad at all. The thing that makes this thing pretty unique to other tools is it has a variable speed drive. So if you undo it, push it this direction, it slows considerably down. And then if we go the other direction, full speed. Now as you can see, the lead screw's spinning nice and... I'll take it down halfway so it can hear us talking. The lead screw's spinning. It's got a gearbox for screw cutting. Screw cutting shaft's not engaged. You've got your variable different gearbox selection there. Down the front here, you've got your selector arm for your cross traverse up, or for your longitudinal traverse down, neutral in the centre. If I go upwards, bring it clear of the job. If I engage it, you can see it's a lovely smooth action now. It really is top notch. It's quite slow as you can see. If I disengage it using the handle, and then if I move it onto the down selection, if I lift it again now you can see the main wheel. Beautiful smooth action. Can't say any more about it. I am back again. I just wanted to show it does reverse if I just switch it back on, but I am a little bit concerned about the reverse because the motor doesn't seem to have any guts in reverse. So if I bring it forward, quite smooth, you can distinctive noise through the drive, and then if I stop it, allow it to stop, switch it in reverse, you've got that slow start and it does go backwards. Now the advantage, just do it again, there we go. The advantage of having the reverse option is if you were screw cutting, you don't have to disengage the lead screw nut. You can leave the nut engaged. You can simply bring it to a halt at the end of the thread, and then you can draw the tool clear, bring it in reverse, bring the tool back to position again, and then forward execute to cut the thread again. And you can keep doing that backwards and forwards. It's just a massive advantage. Why it didn't have it as standard, I don't know. The motor is reversible. I have wired it in reverse as it should be. It is a reversing switch, as you can see. Down for normal, middle for stop, allow it to stop, and then up for reverse. Okay, happy hunting.